If you have a 4.3 liter V6 engine and has this oil filter adapter on it, mine started leaking, and what I did is I removed the 2 bolts from the bottom. Let me grab those real quick. That's where everything fits right there. Okay, the bolt, you can see the bolt holes up in that area right there. These are the bolts here. Okay, of course these will fit in here like this, and they will go up through the top like that, and that bolts to the bottom of your block, or your block. But anyway, I didn't see a lot of videos out there on this, and so what I did is I just went to my local parts store. I think it was like $5 or $6 bucks. Excuse me, $5 or $6. And what I did is I got this little kit here, and you can see this is like what, Velcro, and that's what comes in the kit. Basically, it gives you these O-rings and things to replace, a couple of little gaskets. And I'm not sure what actually goes there, but I know that this one's probably going to go, you know, obviously right there. And this one will probably go, I guess, somewhere up in there, and that will do that. But I'm going to go ahead and replace this and pull it out. Let me see if I can set my camera down somewhere. I don't know how this is going to work. I didn't bring a tripod. But you can see right here how the ring, I guess this ring just got old, but I've been pulling it out of there if I don't jerk my wiring out to do it. But you can see I'm using a pick, and it is hard. That rubber is, you can see right there, you can see, but it was broke, and so the oil was leaking around this area right here, you know, where that ring sits. So that's something you might check. I originally thought it was maybe my my oil lines, my oil cooler lines, but it wasn't. And so, well, I'm hoping they're not leaking, but for right now, this is the main problem that I found. And I'm going to go ahead and pull that out of there, replace all the stuff, get it put back in there, and going about my business. So anyway, just a short little video. If you have questions about it, real simple. This is where your lines hook into. Your lines will hook in here. There's just one nut that goes on this deal right here that bolts your lines up. And of course, on your lines in, I think you're going to have a couple of O-rings right here. I'm going to replace those. So to get it off, you'll take obviously your oil filter off. Then you'll remove a bolt here and a bolt here, and then you will go ahead and remove this nut right here. Gently move your lines out of the way and just pull it out. So pretty simple little process. I didn't find anything like that. I know this is short, quick, dirty, nasty, all that kind of stuff, but hopefully this gives you some kind of idea if you have a 4.3 liter V6 engine. And we'll talk to you soon. Bye.